So this is how this is coming together. Only problem is these aren't going into studs. This one's in a stud. This one and that one are not. So I think I have a way I'm gonna fix it, but I'm gonna get it up on the wall. I'm going to see I'm getting the bob straight. I'm gonna get this one straight, get that one up, and I think I'm gonna be able to reinforce. I'm not sure if this is the right way of doing it, but hey, found the studs. So now that these three are supported by the studs, this one is the only one that isn't. Put these trays in, tighten them up. And this is how this looks right now, holding up not too bad. I'm able to put some drills on the holder. It is a bit thin in there, so if I have an oversized thing, I have to put it on top, but this works pretty good. I might get another one, put it right here on this side, and so I already have that over there. I just might put the same size shelving unit to the right of it, and works out pretty good.